In this video, we will examine a worked example demonstrating how to write the code to reverse the elements of an array. Here is our problem to solve. Write the code to reverse the elements of an array. There are several different approaches you might take. For our first approach, we'll make a whole new array and then copy the elements in the reverse order. This example will be similar to the reverse traversal of the array from an earlier video. If we have an original array, we need to declare and instantiate a new array that is the same size. We will begin with an integer array called original, where we have given it an initializer list, so it contains the values 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. We then create another array of the same size called copy. Then we want to create a loop that will go in reverse for the original array, copying the elements in order and placing them starting at the beginning of the new array. We will have a local variable called place that will start at index 0, then a for loop that goes in the reverse order of the original array. So I starts at original.length minus 1 and continues as long as I is greater than or equal to 0. And is decremented by 1 each time. Then inside the loop, at copy sub place, which starts at 0, and gets the value at original sub I. Copy sub 0 gets original.length minus 1. Place is then incremented, and I is decremented. So the second statement that would be executed is copy sub I is equal to original sub original.length minus 2. The next would be copy sub 2 is equal to original sub original.length minus 3, and so forth. So one indicator is going backwards, the other one is going forwards, until all of the elements have been copied. Here is an alternate solution that does not require extra memory, meaning that we are going to swap all of the elements in the same space. This is a for loop that goes from I is equal to 0, while I is less than divided by 2. The loop only traverses half of the array. We then want to swap the variables at wherever we are in the array, starting at 0 in array.length minus I minus 1. So we are swapping the first and the last elements. Then, when we increment I, it will be the second element, and the next to the last element in the array swapping places. This will continue until we meet in the middle.